I'm going to step around. Now, you don't want to think about any certain position, getting this left foot around. You just want to get around and step on the count of 1. So I'm getting around, stepping on the count of 1, making sure that my left leg is just slightly turned out. I'm really thinking about this inner thigh being my support for when I step and snap. I'm going to keep my right foot off the floor as I snap on the count of 2, taking my focus backwards. So I'm really using that plie there on 2. I'm going to hold 3. I'm going to step 4. I'm going to pull together 5, 6, little 7, 8.